Hey y'all, join me today as I make yeast rolls for the very first time. These yeast rolls are fluffy, sweet, and full of flavor. The recipe I'm using comes from Cooking con Claudia's YouTube channel. To begin making the yeast rolls, warm up 1.5 cups of milk for 1 minute and 45 seconds. To the warm milk, add 3 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of shortening, and 3 tablespoons of honey. Stir, making sure the butter and the shortening melt. Like me, you may need to stick your mixture in the microwave to help it melt. I microwaved mine for 10 seconds. Using a stand mixer with a dough hook, mix 5 cups of flour, a 1/3 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 2 1/4 teaspoons of instant yeast. With your mixer on medium-low speed, slowly pour in your milk mixture and mix until combined. After your dry ingredients and wet ingredients are combined, turn your mixer down to the lowest speed and add 1 whole egg, and mix for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, turn your mixer up to medium speed and mix for 7 minutes. Now, after I mixed mine, the consistency of my dough did not look like Claudia's. Therefore, I had to add more flour a little bit at a time. I kept adding flour until the dough started to form a ball around the dough hook and started pulling away from the sides. Once your dough is formed, grease a bowl and place your dough in the bowl. Grease the top of your dough and place a piece of plastic wrap directly on top of your dough. Add a towel over the bowl and place your dough in a warm place. You want your dough to double in size. I let mine rise for 1 hour. After 1 hour, dump out your dough on your work surface. Because my dough was sticky, I floured my surface as well as the top of the dough. Work and fold your dough to remove the air. Form your dough into a rectangular shape and cut it into fourths. Take each fourth and cut it into smaller pieces that are roughly the same size. Roll each piece of dough into a ball. The original recipe makes 21 to 24 rolls. If they weigh between 2 ounces and 2.5 ounces, I didn't weigh mine and I ended up with 16 big fluffy rolls. Spray a large baking dish with a non-stick spray and place your yeast rolls in the dish. If you run out of room, just use a second dish. Cover the rolls with plastic wrap. This time, do not place the plastic wrap directly on top of the rolls. Cover the dishes with a towel and place in a warm location for 1 more hour, or until they double in size. When the rolls are almost done, prepare an egg wash using 1 whole egg and a tablespoon of water. When the rolls are done rising, brush the egg wash on top of each one. Place your yeast rolls in a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven. The original recipe says to cook them for 25 minutes, but I found this time to be too long. Because my rolls were getting very dark on top, I pulled them out at around 15 minutes. To prevent your rolls from burning, check on them at around 12 minutes and decide how much longer they should cook. Once your rolls are done, top them with some melted butter, let them rest for 10 minutes, and then enjoy. All right, we are ready for the taste test. We're right behind me. Okay. I'm nervous because they almost burned.
They look delicious.
Here, which one do you want?
I don't care.
Ooh,
Any
it
of them.
cuts like butter. Actually, these are softer than butter. Look at that.
Just carrot.
Ooh, wow.
Like a dare. Lucky dare.
Man, these are monsters.
Is that mine or yours? That's yours.
This is mine. Right. Ooh, oh, that smells good.
How would it taste?
Yeah, I was gonna try to open it, but it's hot. Of course, you can see what it looks like on the inside. Is it good? Sweet. I got discouraged because they were like too dark on top, and I thought I'd burn them. And then too, making the dough, I thought I'd overmixed it or didn't mix it enough.
All right, there's good. Yeah, babe.
Thanks.
Oh yeah.
Is it done?
Yeah, done. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Hell yeah. I need to make these. They might be a pain in the ass, but they're worth it.
It's 9 o'clock at night, and I started these at 6 something.
So start early. Really, the longest thing is just letting them rise.
Yeah.
Everything
Takes 2
else
hours total to rise.
Yeah. Everything else is, there's not a lot of work that goes into it. It's just the time to let everything rise and cook. That's my thoughts, but
Mixing it took a while.
these are delicious.
Kind of tastes like sourdough, doesn't it?
I just taste goodness.
That is good. These are better than yours, aren't they?
Oh yeah. I don't have the patience. Good job.
Thanks.
I'm gonna watch playoff game.
Yeah, that's why I've been having to do a voiceover, because he's been watching the playoff game and it's loud.
Good job, baby.
Thanks.
Thanks.
All right, y'all. Well, thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Hey Jimmy, will you come look at this? I don't think this is right.
What about it? Needs more flour.
I did the 5 cups.
Yeah, until it starts to, like that one time where it's like,
Yeah.
There's a little bit of time. It does take time to come together. It might take 10 minutes, but
Okay.
add a tablespoon or whatever of flour.
This mixer is about to jump off the counter. I'm having to hold it. I'm afraid to add too much flour because I don't want it to dry out. But that looks better.
Yeah, I think that looks, it's supposed to be sticky, but not overly sticky.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks a lot better.
All right. Probably have food in my mouth.
Good job, babe. Hell yeah. Those are delicious.
Thanks.
Those are the best rolls I've had.
Ever?
They're pretty damn close. I'm trying to think who had a better roll.
Logan's. Texas Roadhouse.
They got good ones, but Quincy's is probably my number one.
Yeah.
But I don't remember Quincy's. I just remember how good they were good.
Uh-huh.
These are up there. I mean,
Thanks.
these are legit. In the last probably 5 years, these are number one.
Awesome. Well, you can thank Claudia.
Thanks, Claudia.
I know.
Nailed these, babe.
Thanks.